Hey guys, it's me Xavier, and for this video today, I'm going to be reacting to Chainsaw Man, but it's The Office by RG33, of course. But, what do you mean The Office? Do you mean like just an ordinary day at the office, Shit is how it is on the daily, or do you mean like the TV show The Office?
Is it recorded?
That's fair. 1. 2. I'm an idiot. Oh, no, I'm not an idiot. Oh, weird.
Yes.
But yeah, no, that's fair.
Great. Hello there. My name is Makima, and I'm...
Why does it look like my quality's off then? Okay, that's just how it is then. Weird.
I'm here to answer a few questions.
Oh, it was unfocused. It was unfocused. Fuck's sake, I should have just let it... Shit, okay. Sorry.
For public safety.
What would you say the working conditions of public safety are like for anyone who aspires to join? Miss Makima?
Working conditions? Well, we have fun.
Hey, that's the dance move they were doing in the opening, remember? Well, they only did it for like a few seconds, but nice. Actually, does that happen in the manga? I mean, hope so. I wonder why they did it though. Well, either way.
Sometimes we hold parties and even trips around Japan.
Can someone check up on Denji? He looks like he's dying.
My feet hurt.
We're only like 10 minutes into the hike. How are you two already complaining?
Denji, just a few more steps. We'll be at the waterfall, okay?
We're walking this far just for some stupid waterfall?
If we get to the waterfall, I'll give you a hug.
La 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 la.
To be led on by a mere hug! How foolish!
Power. If we get to the waterfall, I'll give you cat food.
Cat food!
Wait, slow down. And they fell off.
The Office. Yeah, it's totally The Office. Yeah. I mean, you're not lying there, Kishibe. True. You're not lying. You're not wrong. I'm not going to lie to you. You're not wrong. The middle one's dead. I'm pretty sure, if I remember correctly. And those two are those two. I don't even remember any of their names, to be honest. Like, let's be real. They're not part of the squad. They're trash.
Yeah, it's real fun here. Everyone gets along well.
Hey, midget!
What?
Witness Power's glorious!
What?
Oh, damn. That's unfortunate. I'm sorry to hear that. No, I'm serious though. I'm sorry to hear that. That's unfortunate.
Witness Power's glorious magic trick! You see this? Ooh! It looks like my appendage is being removed! Ooh!
Okay.
You're supposed to clap!
What?
Cheer for me!
What are you talking about?
Say it's cool! Praise me!
It's not even that cool of a trick. Even a baby could do that.
A baby? You're telling me a thing!
We're like a family here.
You're a 5'0" You're the baby!
One big family.
Oh my god. We got new shit to fill out.
What's all this?
Healthcare benefits.
Why?
Fuck if I know. Just
Devil hunters die like every hour.
Just fill it out. First and last name.
The T-Rex is cooler!
The T-Rex is not cooler than a fucking Spinosaurus!
Spine of who now? You're so stupid, Denji! The Tyrannosaurus is clearly the apex predator!
Any burger you can fuck. This burger is better than sex. You can fuck this burger.
It's not!
It's so weird!
No, it's fucking not!
So weird!
It's not!
I didn't know it was take your kid to work day, Aki.
One of my kids.
Aki's kids are fighting again!
Oh my god.
Spinosaurus!
Tyrannosaurus!
Spinosaurus!
Tyrannosaurus!
Babe, Aki.
Hey yo, what?
Spinosaurus!
Tyrannosaurus!
Spinosaurus!
Tyrannosaurus!
Babe,
Hey, Angel's voice actor, you did your shit, my boy. You did your shit. You did your shit. Oh, Jesus Christ, that ship.
Aki,
Tyrannosaurus!
you need to keep your kids under control.
Can you guys shut off?
The T-Rex is better and stronger!
Pretty sure T-Rex and Spinosaurus fought in Jurassic Park.
Yes!
Who won? Who won?
Dinosaurs.
The Spinosaurus.
Damn.
I'm Aki Hayakawa, and
Bruh. And now she's going.
this place sucks.
Pencil fight! Let's go!
Okay.
Yeah!
Things weren't so noisy before Power Energy arrived.
Eat this!
Go through it! Oh, shit.
Oop.
I fucking hate you.
Before they came, everyone was super quiet. I mean, it's in the job description that you're having to risk your life every single day fighting devils, so it's a little hard to find any fun in that.
Do you prefer how things used to be? When Denji and Power weren't around?
When it was quiet, you mean?
Yes.
Why is it called bacon and cookies? When you cook bacon and you bake cookies!
Human lexicon sure is puzzling!
And you bake cookies!
I know it's cocoa melon food. Is everyone saying? Bruh, why is everyone calling this cocoa melon? I don't even know what the fuck. Well.
Human lexicon sure is puzzling!
Alright, if I had to say, even if those two are annoying as you can get.
The bugs! They're all around me!
Oh dear.
That's because you didn't use the damn bug spray, Denji.
The bug spray smelled weird!
Why were you sniffing the bug spray?
This hiking trip sucks!
Even if they are really loud.
Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there?
Even if Power doesn't flush the toilet. Even if Denji can't stop talking about
Did
tits.
you see that waitress that just served us? Her tits.
Nah, about that. Honestly, hot take. But if Denji weren't as, well, Issei with his tendencies, I honestly think Denji would be like the funniest, the one of the funniest protagonists in anime history. Well, even out one of the most enjoyable besides Luffy, cause they're both idiots, right? Except Denji's a bit more understandably stupid. Well, Luffy kind of is as well, but Denji more so, cause, well, his whole shit. At least Luffy can say he had the grandparents that didn't take care of him, but he had bandits for parents. Like he had people. Okay, Luffy had people. Denji had fuck all.
Were massive! Dude, massive! Her tits were massive! Boobs were Her tits were massive!
Maybe I don't mind them around. After all, they're the closest thing to a family I've got.
I'll take it. I'll take it. I was hoping you would say my family, but I'll take it. 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 I'll take it.
Hayakawa? Hayakawa?
Huh? Yes, Miss Makima?
Did you ever fill out that healthcare slip passed around to everyone?
Oh, yeah, it's right here.
How about Power and Denji's documents?
Power and Denji's?
They got the healthcare slip too. It's merely for show, honestly, seeing as they can regenerate. But I need the documents regardless, alright?
Yes, ma'am. I'll get them to sign it right away.
Thanks, G.
Oh.
What?
You a real one for real, Hayakawa.
What?
What?
What was that?
What was what?
That, just now, what you said.
Oh, my lingo? I'm just trying to be hip.
Okay, then.
You a real one for real. It's important for me, as a boss, to keep everyone obedient and happy. So that's why I looked up cool Gen Z slang the other day. You know, to better connect with them. Hello, Higashiyama.
What? Oh, hi, Makima.
What you up to, fam?
What?
Not even gonna lie, sis? That last mission you were on, you ate that.
What the fuck is happening?
We got some donuts up in the lounge, you know. That shit is...
How do you say it, though? Bussin'. Bussin'. Bussin'.
That shit is... bussin'.
Oh my god.
What? What you crying for, Oomphy? You the goat.
I can't do this anymore!
You're sending me right now.
Wait, Aki, what do I put for...
Your address? Oh, just put my apartment. And, sign your initials where you need to.
No, that's the thing. I don't have a last name, dude.
Neither do I.
Well, shit, just, come up with the last name. The document's just for formality anyway. Won't matter if you make up one.
Huh. Alright.
To be roped into your trivial paper thingamajig!
No, I need to go back. What do you mean? Why is the voice actor back?
And,
Neither do I.
Oh, you just did that shit on purpose, didn't you?
well, shit.
Thing. I don't have a last name, dude.
Neither do I.
The VA just skipped the line, I think? Fair enough, okay. But why though?
Well, shit, just, come up with the last name. The document's just for formality anyway. Won't matter if you make up one.
Huh. Alright.
To be roped into your trivial paper thingamajigs! Power will make you humans regret this!
Just write a last name, Power.
Alright, who's gonna tell Makima to stop using her new slang?
Not it.
Not it.
Come on!
Talking back to Makima is like a death sentence. I'm not doing that.
Good luck, Miss Himeno.
Sup, gang? Why are y'all whispering in the corner like this? Mighty sus, if you ask me.
Oh my god.
What? What's the tea?
Jesus, I see what you mean.
Are we talking about crushes or something? Who are y'all trying to rizz up?
This is fucking awful.
This sucks.
Won't someone fill me in? This is mad cringe.
Damn. Why, Chu? Bro, I don't know which character you're voice acting, but damn, it's not that deep.
I'm not vibing with this at all. On God, period. No cap. On God, no cap. Period.
Miss Makima.
Wait, are you the voice actor of Kobeni?
What is she even saying?
I don't know.
Looks like I'm living in your head rent-free.
Here, Top Knot!
The healthcare stuff!
Oh. Thanks, you two.
Denji! Let's go to the water dispenser and flood the building!
Wait, what?
Water! 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 Water!
What? Okay, then. Huh?
Hold up. Why is it? Wait, how,
Today wasn't a bad day, honestly.
Oh, wait, Power Hayakawa. Oh, okay, I see it. I see it. What about Denji? Aw. Of course, though, you just say Tom, not apartment. Aki's house.
Today wasn't a bad day, honestly. Not a bad day at all.
On God.
Okay, wait, let me see if I can... Okay, never mind, it's not Cobain. Oh. Dang it, did I miss who it was, or is there... I don't know, Okay, or maybe she's not a voice actor, I guess. She's just part of the Discord. Whichever. Anyways, yeah, thank you, RG33, for the video. Appreciate that. Huh.